today we're driving 2 hours to scavenge some parts for Ruby. I just found an ad on the marketplace with well, not everything that I need, but a decent amount of stuff that I need. We were gonna buy a parts bug, but we really don't have the space for it right now. So if people have stuff already disassembled, we'll just go that route. What we're getting today, we're getting the doors, and I don't need the doors, I need the glass out of the doors, and all of the interior seats, which if I didn't find those, I was just gonna do something cool and like make like an actual bench seat or something, but I can get them for a good price, so we're just gonna get original seats. And a deck lid, which I don't need a deck lid, but I'm gonna get one for a craft project. And fenders, and I don't need fenders either, but I don't know, I might use them for another craft project or for Taylor's bug. How much Beetle do you think you can fit into the back of a Subaru Crosstrek? And the roof. So here's everything I got. I got more than I thought was for sale. I ended up getting 3 fenders, a gas tank, a side running board, which is awesome because it's the side that I need. A bumper, and like I said, the deck lid, the doors, and the interior seats, and then a couple of miscellaneous stuff like headlights, the clutch and the gas pedal. So I'm really satisfied with everything I got. I definitely couldn't beat the price if I bought it retail, so I'm happy I went this route. And if you're wondering, you can fit all of that in the back of a Subaru Crosstrek. Hi! Today, I have fucking shot this like a million times, but the lighting's not right, and just everything's going wrong. So let's try this again. Today I am welding license plates in Ruby's headliner. This is a project I started like 8 months ago that I never finished, but I only have like 2 or 3 rows left, so I figured I might as well finish it today. I'm definitely not a certified welder. I just started welding as a sort of a way to up my craft game and just make different things. And I didn't realize it would benefit me in the long run for Ruby, but here we are. So yeah, I'm pretty much, yeah, let's go. So this is the finished headliner. It's not the prettiest, but it's still pretty cool, and I did it, so that makes it better. Today we're driving 2 hours north from us, which is the opposite direction of where we went last week, to get more glass for Ruby. We are getting the rear windshield and the 2 rear side windows. venturing to scavenge parts for her. Now I have all the glass with the exception of the front windshield, and I paid less for all the glass that I did get than I would have if I bought the back windshield retail. So that's cool.